everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Jumia Food application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. To begin, open up your Play Store. Go to the search box at the very top and type in Jumia in the search box and make your search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result on the next page. Tap on the app in order to view further information about the app, its ratings and reviews, and much more. Jumia Food is a local food delivery platform that delivers meals, drinks, and groceries from hundreds of restaurants and shops across 9 countries directly to you. In order to quickly download the application for your Android, tap the install button in green and wait the application to be downloaded. The application download will take a while depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is downloaded, you should see an open button popping up right beneath it. Tap it on to launch the app open and there is your application installed on your mobile device right away. Select your country from the list and get started. That was how you can quickly download Jumia Food application for your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.